Hello guys, this is day 4 of my speaking English journey and I'm Meenakshi Chaudhary. Welcome to you all at my channel. I hope you are doing well and speaking and learning English so that you can be more fluent and build some confidence. The fear of not able to speak or communicating proper, I know that this is a huge fear and it generate some self doubt and self like basically we starting to think that we don't have the basic skills. We are at we are not at par with someone who is speaking English, but I think this is not about having knowledge. This is about communicating your views. I know there are a lot of people who are better at their work. They have proper skills, but they are not good at communicating. They are not good at sharing their views, so they lag behind, or they didn't or they don't able to get the things or the opportunity that they should, or they are basically they are perfect at the role but they didn't get due to not communicating or not having proper or not able to speak proper English. So my aim is to learn English, to able to speak fluent English, and obviously I'm recording my journey so that it can help you and there can be a proper check and balance on my journey. I can review or I can watch my previous video that how much I have improved or what I needed to done. So yeah, this is a small step for me, so at the end of this year I can be the person I wanted to become. And sorry for yesterday I couldn't upload my video, and the day third video there was some error. Basically my mic got discharged and the voice was not recorded properly, so sorry for the inconvenience. But and I didn't even delete that video because I tried to re-record a video, but at that time was like 6 o'clock and there was not proper lighting, so when my video become blur and I couldn't upload my next video, so I deleted that one. So sorry for that. So in this video I'm going to talk about what I did in that 2 days. I was reading a book. The book is called The Book of Women by Osho. I was reading that book and I read that half in that yesterday or the day before I record the video. I completed this book now, and if I wanted to share the story of this book. I like this book very much because there is a whole different perspective of the society we live, and we believe that this is the right way to see things, to differentiate between the people. So this book gives you a lot different perspective how things work. Like if we talk about two genders, man and woman, basically they also believe that gender is not born, they are made by the society. The two sex, male and female, are born and they are conditioned in the society in that way that they starting to think a lot more different, like they are not one species. Basically the woman, the female are created in that way that she is inferior to the man, and the man is superior and he having all the power, and she is oppressed, she is dehumanized and curtain her freedom to only one work, that is giving birth to children. Her role is basically limited by the society and by constant getting pregnant and pregnant again. So this is very dehumanizing the woman and her energy into that thing. So you should definitely read this book, and I get to know a whole lot thing that I was thought that this is normal, like the institution of marriage, divorce, the institution of family, having children. I thought that this is normal and it is the basic of society. Of course, this is the basic of modern day society. If there is no born, then the whole humankind will gonna be collapse. So this is necessary, but like this is a necessary evil. You need children to pass on the generation, pass on the wealth, pass the culture basically. But by reproduction, by giving birth children in the whole lifetime, basically this is about the primitive society when there were no contraceptive and there were no method of controlling the birth, and the church, the religious institution were against the child abortion and against the contraceptive. So the woman has to suffer by giving birth again and again, and her creative cell was killed by it because she was pregnant in her whole life. So she can't do anything, and man successfully oppressed her. And yeah, like if we think about this way, so yeah, marriage is one way of controlling the humans. We the human are not not born with the civic sense by civilizations, but we are basically have to do the function of the, or we have to do the work that is basically enforced by the people around us. Our creative cell is distracted by it. I don't know, maybe I'm not able to clearly express my views. Maybe some another time when I will be more fluent, or I will have more words to say what I'm saying to do. So sorry for the inconvenience. I know like you will not getting my point. And one another thing I get to know by this book, that basically we know the things that our mind is divided into two part, the right hemisphere and left hemisphere. The right hemisphere is basically creative, illogical and imaginary, non-mathematical, non-earth logical, and the left part of the brain is calculative, non-imaginary. Basically left part is practical, and our left hand is connected to the right brain, and the right brain is connected to the left hand, and right hand is connected to the left brain. So the right hand people is more calculative, more basically practical, and they have more scientific, and the left hand people is more imaginary, poetic. And when the world, or when the human evolved, there were 50% of left and right handed people, and due to the need basically, or the influence of right handed people, the left handed people who are more imaginary, who are more on the emotions, their emotionality, their imaginary, their poetic self were forced to do more mathematical calculative thing, and the population of left hand people reduced to 10% because the grid. Yeah, it's a, I think I didn't knew this before, so it's new to me. So I found it interesting, so I shared to you. I hope you learned something from this video. So please comment your opinion, and yeah, we'll meet tomorrow with another view. Bye. Thank you.